The rain helping us now.
Here we have a unit here that's overflow with water. Then we find all the water that's filled up in the ductwork.
Yeah, you want to see inside of it?
Getting ready to
that don't rip all the way down.
Getting ready to flood the house. So we're gonna replace, get rid of all the water out of the ductwork and replace the ductwork. About 6 inches of water laying in the ductwork. So we're gonna vacuum out all the water out the ductwork, out the drain pan. Here we get the return boxes full of water, which cause it to drain into the ductwork. And we collected about 5 buckets full through this hole. So once we vacuum everything out the unit, then we can go ahead and replace this flex duct. Alright, we're taking care of the leak. We put a brand new easy trap in there. Vacuum out all the water out the drain pan, out of the main return duct, and out of the flex, and then we also replaced the flex. This is a brand new flex. So this is the complete installation job. And these easy traps is amazing. They'll save your ceiling. They're excellent for installation. That way if you do have a problem, you have electrical wire that goes to the system and it cuts it off. That way it don't keep flowing water in the ductwork. And of course it's a newer system that was installed. We wasn't the one that installed it, but we were the one to repair it. And it is a 2-ton heat pump, Goodman system. And we always put an easy trap in all our installs.